The starting point of all achievement is desire. Napoleon Hill. Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching Grammaring, English Grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to discuss a phrase, browned off. Browned off. Browned off is an adjective because it describes a noun. All the names are called nouns. Browned off describes or gives more information about a noun, so it is called as an adjective. Now, we are going to discuss the meaning of the phrase browned off. Browned off means annoyed and unhappy about something. Very angry. If you are very angry, it is defined as browned off. If you say that you are browned off, you mean that you are annoyed and depressed. So, browned off means annoyed, unhappy, depressed, very angry. Now, we are going to discuss the synonyms for the word browned off. Annoyed, fed up, disappointed. These are the words which have the same meaning of browned off. Now, we are going to use the word browned off in sentence. Ram gets a bit browned off with his friend borrowing the car all the time. It means Ram gets annoyed and unhappy with his friend borrowing the car all the time. Number 2. By now the passengers are getting browned off with the delay of the flight. It means by now the passengers are getting very angry with the delay of the flight. I'm so browned off by my sister's selfish behavior. I'm so annoyed or I'm so disappointed by my sister's selfish behavior. In the last example, sorry, I'm just thoroughly browned off. Sorry, I'm just thoroughly annoyed. I'm just thoroughly fed up, thoroughly unhappy. So far in this class, we have discussed the meaning and usage of the phrase browned off. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.